Métropole du Grand Nancy. Métropole du Grand Nancy is the metropole, an intercommunal structure, centered on the city of Nancy. It is located in the Meurthe-et-Moselle department in the Grand Est region, northeastern France. It was created in July 2016, replacing the previous Communauté urbaine du Grand Nancy. Its population was 260,665 in 2014, of which 106,816 in Nancy proper. History. The urban community of Greater Nancy French, Communauté urbaine du Grand Nancy, was created in 1996. On July 1, 2016, the metropolitan community replaced the urban community in accordance with a decree of April 2016. Member communes. The 20 communes of the metropolis are: Administration. The Metropolitan Council consists of 80 members, one of them being the president, currently André Rossonot, the former mayor of Nancy.